Hello everyone, as you are aware, CEED 2023 is scheduled to be conducted on 22nd of January and we are left out with only around 20 days before this examination. If you are applied for this examination CEED 2023 and you're preparing for it, this is the best time to enroll into our 15-day crash course. We at KP Classes are launching a 15-day crash course for your revision and also to identify the core areas to boost up your confidence in this last moment. Our crash course would be starting from 6th of January, and in this video I will be discussing about the course structure. How are we going to help you clear this examination and boost your confidence in these 15 days before CEED 2023 in this focused crash course for CEED examination, which is scheduled on 22nd of January. So before I start with or explain you the course structure, let me in parallel also tell you about the question paper structure. It is very important to identify the question paper structure to know how to score best and how to get a good score in the examination. So let me first take you to the question paper structure for CEED 2023. I hope you already have an idea about the course about the structure of the question paper. There are two parts in the question paper, part A and part B. Part A will be an examination as a part of the exam where you have 41 questions where you need to answer all the questions. The 41 questions will be divided into numerical type questions where you need to put in a numerical answer to the question, multiple select question where multiple answers can be correct, multiple choice question. There are these three types of questions, and there is negative marking in MSQ and MCQ type questions also. So that is about part A. Now the topics included in part A will include concepts of basic geometry, basics of design, understanding form visualization, and also you have general aptitude topics as well, like counting surfaces, orthographic projections. All these are included in the part A, which is a computer based examination. As far as part B is considered, part B is where you need to sketch your solutions. You will be having 5 questions. Sketching, number one is sketching, where you will be given a situation and you need to sketch it. Question number two will be based on analyzing your creativity or testing your creativity. Question number three will be on understanding your ability to create forms and form sensitivity. Fourth question is on visual sensitivity, and fifth question is on problem identification. Now if you know the final seed score is given, so it is very important to understand that part A is qualifying. It is important to qualify. Only if you qualify part A, your sketching solutions of part B will be checked. So if you're not able to score a qualifying mark in part A, your part B questions will not even be checked. So it is important. Point number one for seed examination, it is important to qualify part A. Point number two is to get your good score in part B, because in the final score, part A will have only 25% of the weightage, whereas part B will have maximum 75% weightage. So in this crash course of 15 days, we will cover topics. So we have divided part A, we have identified some core areas of part A from which you can get a good score so that you can qualify your exam for part A. So in parallel to that, a lot of focus will also be on practicing the questions of part B, because part B is a part where you will for sure have questions which are surprising to you in the examination, but you should have sufficient practice so that you are able to handle that surprise. And the best way is our faculty team, our design faculty team, who themselves are qualified designers, who have completed their masters in design and who have qualified this examination. They will guide you through the part B, how to score well in the sketching part. So our focus on this 15-day crash course will be more on part B, because that is the part which has maximum weightage. So we will have a lot of practice sessions. Your work will be analyzed and you will be given tips how to improve your score in the problem. So let me give you an example. For instance, problem identification. Many students tend to sketch solutions for problem identification question, which also tend to give solutions. But in seed examination, they will only check your ability to interpret the problems or ability to identify the problems through sketches, but not the solutions. So how to interpret or how to sketch problem identification question, that is very crucial. So to develop such skills, this particular crash course will be very useful for you. So you will be having a exhaustive session of classes in these 15 days where the required tips how to improve the sketching part for better score in part B, that will be the point of focus of this particular crash course. so as to give you a good score. So there are various topics, but again we will identify those core. We have identified those core areas of part A which will help you qualify it with a good score, that is part A, and a lot of practice for part B. That would be the structure of this 15-day crash course starting from 6th of January 2023. And if you enroll into this course, you will not only have classes for the topics to get a good score in the examination, but also you will be having further guidance after you get the result in March. You will require a design portfolio and you will need preparation for interviews at various IITs, including IIT Guwahati, IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai, that is IDC. So our team of faculty from design background, they will be helping you by giving you tips for the interview, how to prepare your design portfolio. So separate sessions will be conducted for that after March. So make sure you enroll into a crash course so that you also get a benefit of portfolio design and also interview preparation after the result of the examination. I hope you to meet you in the session very soon. So which is starting on 6th of January. So to enroll into our crash course for CEED 2023, you can contact us on the number given in the description of this video. Thank you everyone.